passport, tickets, snacks, sunscreen.
All set for the trip!
Great! Are the bags ready?
You bet! We're good to go.
Tom, Anna, come on down! Found it! Yay, let's go! Coming, Mom! Me too!
Yes!
Perfect. We leave in 10 minutes.
Yes!
We are going to Grandma's house today.
Yes! Grandma's house! I love Grandma's cooking.
Me too. Grandma makes the best cookies.
All right, everyone, let's go!
Adventure time! Got the suitcase! Yay, let's go!
To the car, everyone!
Dad, how long is the drive?
About 1 hour, Tom.
1 hour?
Don't worry.
Mom, does Grandma know we are coming?
Yes, she does. She called me this morning.
Look, Tom, we are passing the big park.
Wow! So many trees! It is so green! Anna, I can see Grandma's house.
Wow, I see it. It's Grandma's house. We're almost there. It's getting bigger. I'm so excited.
You're here! Welcome home!
Grandma!
Grandma, we're here.
Oh, my dears, come here. We missed you.
Love you, Grandma.
I missed you too, my darlings. Come inside.
I made cookies. Cookies?
Of course you may go outside and play, but be very careful near the old fence.
Tom, look at all these flowers. They are so pretty. Yes. And look, look. A little cat.
Here, kitty. Come
Tom, stop! The fence! Whoa! Tom, are you okay? Yes, I am okay. But the fence... Oh no. Tom, are you okay? Yes, I am okay. But the fence... Oh no. Tom, we have to tell Grandma. She will be angry. No, we must be honest. Come on.
Thank you for telling me the truth. That is very important. We are proud of you, Tom.
Good job, son. Family time is the best time.
Now eat your soup. It is getting cold.